Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav AutomationStudio. So today we are going to learn about the how to install Selenium within Maven. So in my previous video, I told you how to configure Selenium in the Java project. So this time where I told you like you need to download the files from this selenium.dev website and you need to extract and you need to import all that jar files in your project. So these manual terms I told you, but today I'm going to tell you about how we can configure our project. Whatever files, whatever dependency we have, we can just configure those dependency with the help of the Maven project. Okay, so now so for that, what exactly we need to do? We need to first of all create a Maven project, and later on guys, you need to add the dependencies in that project, guys. So how we can do? Let's get started. So here I'm just opening my IntelliJ IDEA, and here I'm creating the new project. So this is I'm just creating the new project for you guys. Here you can see this is how window pop-up will be open in IntelliJ IDEA. So here you just need to select the Maven option. Once you select the Maven option, here these many files, it will automatically generated. And now here you just need to click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, whatever name you would like to give, here you can simply give like here I'm giving like Ganesh Jadhav Jadhav automation project. Okay, this thing I'm just giving, guys. Okay, and same thing I'm giving over here like in the artifact ID as well. So here I just need to click on this next button. So my project name will be this and my project location will be this. Once this is done, I'm click on the finish button. My new window will be open over here. So this is how my new project will be open. So guys, once this new window will open, and here you can see your project is divided into two parts, which is named as a main and test. So this is the Maven project structure we have, guys. All these are the Maven project structure we have. Now here you can see the first of all, this form.xml file be open. What is the meaning of this form.xml? I'm going to tell you guys. No worry. Now before that, I would like to tell you some of the structure. So this is the Maven structure we have. Maven project based structure we have. Now what is mean by the Maven? These sums we are going to learn. Okay, so about the Maven is a powerful project management tool that is based on page object model, and it is used for the project build, dependencies and documentation. This is for we are using this Maven tool. Okay, and Maven basically written in this Java language, and it used to build project which is written in C Sharp, Scala, Ruby, many languages. This Maven project is support. Now you might have a question: how exactly we need to configure our Selenium project, Selenium jar files into our project. Like you don't need to go to the selenium.dev website. You don't need to download anything over there. You don't need to extract anything over there, and you don't need to import like this. You don't need to do anything. So what exactly you need to do? You must need to open the Maven repository. So we have the Maven repository. So we have the Maven repository, and in this Maven repository, a lot of jar files which is present over here. Okay, all jar files will be present over here. So here you can see this is my Maven repository project, and once I click here, once I'm clicking over here, you can see this Maven repository.com official website will be open. Once this is done, here you can search like by Selenium. I'm going to search, guys. Selenium project I'm going to search. Once I search the Selenium project, here you can see dependency. Here you can see over here. So here I need to install, I need to add the dependencies in my project. So here I just need to click on this Selenium Java dependency. Once this is done, whatever versions we have from the birth of the Selenium WebDriver, all versions you can see over here. Like you can see from the 2.0, this is the birth happened for the Selenium WebDriver in 2008. So from this all version you can find out over here. Now the latest version we have 4.3.0. So here you just need to click on this version, and here you can see these many dependency we have like Maven, Gradle Short, Gradle Kotlin, SBT, IV, Grape. Okay, these many dependency we have. So out of this we are using the Maven. So here you just need to select, and you need to just copy over here. once you copy this dependency, so this is dependency we have. So this is the group ID for Selenium, this is the artifact ID for the Selenium, and this is the version we have. So here you just need to, what exactly you need to do here, you just need to copy this file, I mean to say dependency, and you need to open your project. So this is my project. Now here you need to add the dependency, but always you need to take care of this first this thing, guys. Like here you can see the dependency, this is only single dependency we have, but in the pom.xml you can add the multiple dependency. So for that we must need to follow the structure. So first of all you must need to add the dependency stack. Okay, and in this dependency stack you can add the multiple dependency. Like I'm adding the Selenium dependency, and here you can see your Selenium dependency I added. Once I added this Selenium dependency, here you can see one pop-up I'm getting, like import the changes. This is the first thing. So once you click on this import the changes, like here you can see right now, if I'm extracting this external file, only JDK11 file is over here, present over here. We don't have any Selenium files. So here first option we have like import the changes. This is the first option. If you are clicking, this Selenium jar file will be automatically added over here. This is the first option. And second option, you will have like you need to click on this right side of the Maven, and here you just need to click on this refresh button. Okay, this is how, I mean to say, re-import all Maven projects, so your dependency will be automatically imported. So these many options you have. So here I'm just clicking on this import changes, and you can see, and at the bottom you can see all dependency you can see added over here. So this is the beauty of the Maven. So you don't need to go that selenium.dev website, you don't need to download those website, you don't need to I mean to say, guys, you don't need to do any lot of things, like you don't need to extract those things, you don't need to import those things. Here you just need to add the dependency in this pom.xml file. So we are calling this file as a pom.xml file. Okay, we are calling it this is the pom.xml file we have. Okay, and here we are adding the all dependency. Like if you wanted to add test engine dependency, if you wanted to add any other dependency like excel sheet dependency, any listener dependency, if you wanted to add it, simply you can add with the help of the pom.xml file. And here you can see your all dependency will be imported over here. Here you can see each and every dependency. Here you can see Selenium report, APIs, Firefox, DevOps, all dependencies automatically downloaded over here in this project. And once this is done, you can see on your left hand side, this all files you can see over here. Right now the files is not available, so just wait for a couple of minutes only, and it is downloading the all files, like total 5960 files we have. So in my last video you can see how many files we have, and how the manual way to import those things. So the point is, guys, why Maven? So because of, guys, so suppose each time your Selenium version is changed, so every time you need to download that jar file, I mean to say zip file, you need to extract those zip file, and again you need to import those zip file. Okay, this is completely hectic work we have, and that is why we are preferring the Maven. So here you can see all, like Selenium file is automatically imported over here. Here you can see selenium.hq file, all file here imported over here. And once this is done, you can create here one of the project. Like first of all, I'm creating the package. First package I'm going to create, this is just for an example, guys, and I'm creating the first Maven program. So this class I'm going to create over here. Once this is done, I'm just adding here main method, my main method, and here I can add the those path. So here I'm just copying those path, like system.out.println. So this path I'm just copying over here, guys. Like, so this is the by default path we have. Like this is if you wanted to run your test cases in the where, guys, in the Selenium automation on the Chrome driver, so you can simply use this system.set property webdriver.chrome driver. You can see my a previous video as well in detail, how to write down these terms, and how we can download this, how we can download this chrome driver.exe file. You can see those video in details. And here you just need to write down web driver. Okay, web driver is equal to new chrome driver. So here you can see you just need to import this term. Here import the classes. Here again I'm importing the classes over here. And once this is done, I'm using this WebDriver by default method, which is named as like driver.get. So this method we are using for opening the browser. Like here I'm opening the browser like https colon double slash www.facebook.com. Once this is done, here I'm just, once I open the browser, here I'm closing the browser as well, guys. Okay. And here for your understanding, I'm using this thread.sleep for 3 seconds only. So you can see is it properly open and properly closed or not. And here I'm just adding the exception because it's throwing us an compile time error, so that is why we must need to add the exception. And if I'm running this program, you can see my chrome browser will automatically open over here, and the facebook.com website is also open over here. Just wait, it is building the project because of this is first time I'm running this project. And here you can see some warnings we have. Parsing data is happening, and is finishing saving the caches. And here you can see it is started for running. And your chrome driver was started successfully. Here you can see a chrome driver also started successfully. Finally my chrome browser is open over here, and the facebook.com website, official website, also open over here. I just wait for 3 seconds, so it will wait for 3 seconds, and automatically browser is closed. So this is the very straightforward and simple way we have for configuring or for installing the Selenium dependency in the Maven project. Okay, I hope everyone is understood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe if you don't. Thank you.